So I got all the new knobs on. Keyboard is rebuilt. I mean, it's not 100% perfect. A little bit of a gap here, but it's pretty good. If I open it up again, I'll consider fixing all that, but I'm pretty happy as is. Main thing left is to swap these badges. I'm just not sure how I want to get them off. Might try to heat gun it. I might do some research. If anyone has any suggestions, I'm certainly all ears. But what else? Well, that's as best as I can do while holding a phone anyway. um, yeah, I'm pretty happy with the progress. All new knobs. Yeah. Well, it sounds good. Cool. Well, really only one thing left, which is just replace these. Other than that, I think I'm calling this done. I was originally considering putting the opto key on it. I don't know that I'm going to do that now, just because I feel like there's really only one key that's doing the high vibrate, the high pitch wiggle, whatever they call it. It's this key. And I feel like the more I've been using it, the less it's been doing it. So I'm just going to clean it and call it good. Yeah, so let's call this thing pretty much done. I mean, obviously I need to clean this. I think there's some tape on the side.
And say something.
Yeah? What do you want to say?
Put it down to me.
Son wants to get in on this too. But yeah, no, I think we're done. Very cool.